Today we're going to be looking at and trying out the green Gobbler washing machine cleaner and pipe cleaner. And this is supposed to be used, to clean out your washing machine. You get these all the buildup on your rubber seals underneath, all that gunk. And it doesn't say on the instructions that you have to pre-clean all of this. You can just throw it in there and it's supposed to clean all that off, and then also keep your pipes clean. So it recommends to do this once a month. There's 28 in there, so this is like 2 years worth of cleaners. Nicely packed up in there, and I got all this gunk on my fingers. So we'll grab one of these little guys out, and it's tiny. I'll just open that up, and it says just to drop it into your tub. And then use, if you have it, use your tub clean cycle. If not, you can do like your bulky and large, set it to hot and large load, which I don't have. But I do have a tub clean section. So I'm just going to run that. I'll take one last look. You saw how dirty all that is all the way around. So we'll run this through. And this is the first time I've done this, and we'll see what happens. So taking a first look at our washer after using the washing machine cleaners from Green Goblin. And I haven't actually looked in here yet, but I mean, we've got months and months of buildup in there. It is a little better than it was. Definitely not as clean as I expected, and I'm sure if we use these more frequently, it probably wouldn't be anywhere near this bad, but it does smell really clean. So overall, I'd have to give it a plus, A+. It does smell good. It is septic system safe, and it did definitely make it cleaner, and the stuff does come off a lot easier now than it did before. So definite improvement. I'm going to keep using them more frequently and give some more feedback later on, but for now I definitely recommend the Green Gobbler washing machine cleaners. Thanks for watching.